that little canister is the answer. Oftentimes we have people reaching out telling me that they got their truck deleted and it sounds nothing like other deleted L5Ps that they hear. They do hear the exhaust rumble, but there is absolutely zero turbo whistle, and it's still really quiet, even though you get decent rumble at idle, but taking off, you really don't hear your exhaust. Well, that's because whoever worked on your truck left that in place. And frankly, they probably left everything intact and only did your exhaust. So with that being said, that DOC acts as a muffler because it's right behind the turbo. So if you want that turbo whistle and deeper and louder exhaust sound, you have to remove that and remove that downpipe and get an aftermarket one. Turbo back downpipe. Yeah, the L5Ps are a little bit different than previous generations because previously all you had to do was do an exhaust and you get that true diesel sound. But with these trucks, that thing muffles the sound a lot. And then a lot of you guys are actually paying decent amount of money to get your truck halfway deleted. So always ask if you're gonna get an aftermarket downpipe and if your DOC is gonna get removed.